Hi everyone! This tutorial is going to teach you how to use Threads, the newest app by Instagram. So Threads is pretty much like Facebook and Instagram, where you post photos with a caption and then you can like, comment, reshare, or share with someone. One of the easiest ways to interact on the Threads app is to interact with each thread. So here you can see how many people liked this thread. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see tons of accounts with tons of different content. And if you click on a random thread, it will take you over to that thread. And here you can see who's interacting on the post, who's replying, who's liking each other's replies. And as I was saying, the best way to interact on Threads is to like posts. So here's an example of me liking a thread. The heart turns red, and here I clicked on the comment bubble so I could post a reply. So here you have a couple options. You can set your privacy settings to see who will see it, or you can hit that paperclip button and you can upload either photos or videos as a reply to a thread. So I'm going to go ahead and discard my reply, but back on the homepage at the bottom of the screen, you're going to hit that magnifying glass. And this is where you can search for your Instagram following or any celebrity that you might want to follow on Threads. And here at the middle button on the bottom of the screen, this is where you post a thread. So here I'm going to type a random caption for a thread, and I'm just going to add a photo by clicking on that paperclip. And then over on the left-hand side of the screen, I can change the privacy settings as well, so I can choose who sees my thread. Right, I'm going to hit post, and it is posting my thread. So I'm going to head over to my profile at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can see that the thread is posted to my profile. Another way to interact on Threads is hitting those little arrows and reposting threads, but I can't repost my own because I do have a private account. But if I go over to the home page and I click on reposting for a random account, then it will say reposted. And if I head back over to my account, you can see on my profile that I have reposted this thread. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tutorial on how to use Threads.